one of the reasons po why we established AK Global Connect, it's to really help the people in especially in Mindanao po and in Barm region. It was founded first, actually the BPO is currently offering three services right now. First po is yung sa sales po namin, contact center services. We also have the ESL or English as a second language teaching services. And then lastly, we have the virtual assistant services. However po, may pangalawa rin po palang secondary purpose yung company, which is, luckily po, we were able to secure a TESDA certification. So, TESDA accredited center na rin po yung company po. Now, again po, going back, one of the reasons why I really established the business is that yun po, marami pong to be honest, Cotabato people are really great. Meron pong, kumbaga, meron silang ibubuga. One of the reasons bakit din sila nakukuha outside the city. So sabi ko, why not bring these opportunities sa amin? So ayun na po, ayun na nga, sinimulan na po namin yung BPO company po. At first, it was really hard because, to be honest, wala po akong idea on how will I run this. But as time passes by, I was able to connect some people, especially here in Metro Manila po. Nakakontak po ako ng tao na tumulong po sa amin on how we're going to strategize.